Crafting a professional permission letter.
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to learn how to properly format and structure a permission letter. This could be useful for various scenarios such as getting permission for a field trip, to use a particular resource, or to take leave.
What is a permission letter?
A permission letter is a formal letter that's used to ask for or grant permission. It should be clear, concise, and professionally written to ensure that the message is understood and respected.
How to begin the letter.
The first step is to add your contact information at the top. It includes your name, address, city, state, zip code, and email address, left aligned on the page. Next, you should include the date just below your contact details. Then, add the recipient's contact information. This includes their name, title, if known, company, and address. Following that, you'll want to include a proper salutation. For example, Dear Mr. per megasecond, Dr., last name.
What to include in the body.
The body of the letter is where you clearly state the purpose of the letter. The first paragraph should introduce the reason for the letter, giving enough context so that the reader understands why you're writing. In the second paragraph, you'll want to outline your request specifically. It should be very clear about what you are seeking permission for and how the recipient's consent would benefit you. In the third paragraph, you could also provide a time frame or deadline if applicable. The body of the letter should be concise, respectful, and clear.
How to conclude the letter.
To conclude the letter, you should express appreciation for the recipient's consideration of your request. You could use a line such as, "Thank you for considering my request." Next, you will close the letter with a closing line such as, "Sincerely," or "Best regards," followed by your typed name and signature.
Any additional tips?
Always proofread your letter for any grammatical or spelling errors. Keep the tone professional and courteous throughout the letter. If you're sending the letter by email, the subject line should be clear and descriptive, e.g., request for permission to use copyrighted material. So that's it. That's your guide to crafting a professionally formatted and well-structured permission letter. I hope this video has been helpful and has made the process of writing a permission letter a bit easier for you. Remember, the key is to be clear, concise, and respectful. Happy writing!